India's secret beach paradises you have never heard of. Imagine walking on untouched white sands, surrounded by crystal clear waters, where the only sound you hear is the gentle rhythm of waves. While Goa and Kerala often steal the spotlight, India is home to some of the most secluded and breathtaking beach paradises that remain hidden from the crowds. These secret coastal gems offer unparalleled beauty, tranquility, and a perfect escape for travelers looking for something off the beaten path. Today, we are unveiling India's most stunning yet lesser-known beach paradises that you probably haven't heard of. Stay with us till the end, as you might just find your next dream beach destination. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for amazing content. Galgibaga Beach, Goa. The Silent Turtle Beach, Goa is famous for its lively beaches, but if you venture a little further south, you'll find Galgibaga Beach, a hidden paradise free from commercial tourism. Known as the nesting site for the endangered olive ridley turtles, this beach remains protected and pristine. Unlike the crowded shores of Baga and Kolangut, Galgibaga offers golden sands, clear waters, and a peaceful environment where you can truly unwind. If you're looking for an untouched escape in Goa, this is the place to be. Paradise Beach, Pondicherry, a secluded tropical escape located near Chunnambar Boat House. Paradise Beach is accessible only by boat, adding an element of adventure to your journey. This beach remains relatively undiscovered due to its secluded location, making it perfect for those seeking solitude. The golden sand, swaying coconut trees, and calm waters create a tropical paradise that feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Since there are no permanent structures here, it's best to bring your essentials and enjoy nature in its rawest form. Marari Beach, Kerala, a hidden gem near Alleppey. Marari Beach, located just a short drive from Alleppey, is a hidden treasure on Kerala's coastline. Unlike the busy beaches of Kovalam, Marari offers an authentic, unspoiled experience. The slow-paced village life, lush coconut groves, and endless stretches of golden sand make it an ideal destination for relaxation. You can watch fishermen at work, take a leisurely stroll, or just soak in the beauty of the Arabian Sea. If you're looking for a quiet retreat with a mix of culture and nature, Marari is the place to be. Gokarna's Half Moon Beach, Karnataka, a secret getaway. Gokarna is often called the quieter version of Goa, but within Gokarna lies an even more secluded gem, Half Moon Beach. Accessible only by trekking through lush forest trails or by boat, this beach remains untouched by mass tourism. The crescent-shaped shoreline, turquoise waters, and dramatic cliffs make it an enchanting escape for adventure seekers and solitude lovers alike. Whether you want to camp under the stars, take a dip in the clear waters, or simply relax on the soft sand, Half Moon Beach offers a truly unique experience. Little Andaman's Butler Bay Beach, the most secluded tropical paradise. While the Andaman Islands are famous for beaches like Radhanagar, few people know about Butler Bay Beach in Little Andaman. With its long stretches of golden sand, swaying palm trees, and clear waters, this hidden paradise is perfect for surfers and beach lovers alike. Since it's relatively unexplored, you'll often find yourself as one of the only visitors on the shore. The nearby waterfalls and dense forests add to the island's charm, making it one of the best-kept secrets of India's coastline. Varkala's Kapil Beach, where the sea meets the backwaters. Varkala is known for its cliffs and lively beach scene, but just a few kilometers away lies Kapil Beach, a serene and undiscovered stretch of coastline where the Arabian Sea meets Kerala's backwaters. This stunning spot offers breathtaking views, fewer crowds, and a perfect blend of beach and lagoon landscapes. If you love scenic drives, the road along Kapil Beach is one of the most picturesque coastal routes in India. India is home to some of the most extraordinary beach destinations that remain hidden from the mainstream travel radar. These untouched coastal paradises offer a perfect escape for those seeking peace, adventure, and natural beauty away from the crowds. Whether you're looking for a quiet retreat, an adventurous trek, or a romantic getaway, these secret beaches have something magical to offer. Which of these hidden beach paradises would you love to visit? Or do you have a secret beach recommendation? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden travel gems from India and beyond. Stay tuned for more amazing destinations.